Hello friends, welcome to Notify Anywhere voice broadcast aka Robocalls demo. Today we will see how easy it is to broadcast your message to multiple people, that too all at once. Notify Anywhere voice broadcast service makes phone calls on landlines as well as mobile phones one by one to your selected or uploaded contacts and play your recorded message on the call. Let's start the demo. Go to any browser and type www.notifyanywhere.com and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you will see this screen. This is the homepage of Notify Anywhere. On the top, you will see two links, register and login. If you have not already registered, click on the register link and register yourself. If you have already registered and you have the login, username and password, click on the login and enter your username and password to sign in to your account. Now, when you click on register, you will be taken to this screen. This is a very simple form. Identify yourself, select any of the option from here, individual, business, government or training institute. This is important because this will change your menu, especially in the mobile app, Notify Anywhere mobile app. So select the appropriate option here, your name, your address details, your phone number. You must choose the country code before the phone number. So for example, +1 for USA and then the 10-digit phone number. Your email address, which is also your username, confirm your email address and then the security code and submit. Once you submit, you will receive an email within few seconds in your inbox with the username and the password. The username is of course your email address, but it will generate a password for you and will send you an email. If you do not receive an email within few minutes, check your email in junk or spam folder. Sometimes the email client sends it to the junk or the spam folder. So make sure it's not there in the junk and spam folder. Once you got the email, click on the login and log in to Notify Anywhere account. Once you log in, you will be taken to this screen. This is the My Account page and it will show you different operations that you can perform, the changes that you can do. Also, it shows you the number of calls that you still have, the calls left, the different options available, the message plans that are available, and then the messages left. So from here, either from here you can select your operation or you can go to the menu and select your operation from here as well. So let's go to the operations menu and select voice broadcast because that is what we are going to cover in this demo. So once you click on the voice broadcast, you will be taken to this screen. Here you can notice that voice broadcast is automatically selected. Come down. This is divided into 4 different tabs. One is the Excel file where you will be uploading your contacts, your phone numbers of all your contacts that you want to broadcast this message to. Then the audio file where you will be either uploading the audio file or you will be typing the message and you will have to and you want that the system to read out or play that message for you. We will cover all that in few seconds. The next is the voice broadcast tab. This typically has only one button. Just click on that broadcast button and it will start broadcasting. And then the usage report, which will show you how many numbers, how many phone numbers that you have broadcasted this message to and what is your status. So let's click on the Excel tab, and in the Excel tab you will be uploading the Excel file in the format mentioned here. So all it needs is the 3 columns in the Excel file: the first name, last name, and then the third one is the phone number prefixed with the country code. For example, 1 is the country code for US, so you will be prefixing the phone number, US phone number, with 1, like 161700. We will quickly see a sample Excel file. So this is a sample Excel file right here, the first name, last name, and then the phone number. If you notice here, there is no heading, no first name, last name. It starts with the, right away it starts with the first name, of your contact, the last name of your contact, and then the phone number prefixed with the country code. For example, here the first name, last name, and then the country code prefixed with the phone number prefixed with the country code, like 91 for India. Once you have this file created, save it in your local computer, choose the file, that same file, and once you choose the file, press submit file. If you see here, it says 100% file upload successful, and then once the file is successfully uploaded, you can see here, make sure the data is correctly uploaded. If you see that there is some change that you want to make, click on the edit, and then you can make the change, press update, and once you press update, you can see that the change is saved. If there is any mistake or any error in the Excel file and you want to upload a new Excel file, then you have to delete all of this data before you upload the new Excel file. Otherwise, it will generate two different duplicate columns, duplicate entries. In order to delete the Excel file, you simply select delete all records, and then it will delete all your records, and then you can go back to the Excel tab and then upload a new Excel file. Now, once the Excel file is correctly uploaded, click on the audio file tab. Once you click on the audio file tab, you will see that this particular tab is divided into two different parts, the left side and the right side. The left side says that if you want to upload an audio in your own voice and in your own language that you want to be played during the broadcast calls, then you must upload the audio file in WAV file format, only .wav format. But if you want the message, if you want to type the message, you can type the message right here, and this message can be played during your broadcast call, but it will be played in English only and in a robot voice. So it will not be played in your voice and in your language. So you can choose either or. If you want the message to be played in your voice, then the left side, you choose the file, the audio file, and submit. If you do not want the message to be played in your voice, then you can come to the right side and type the message in this message box, and the message will be played in the robot voice. So we'll quickly see how this works. So we will say, hi, this is an important call from so and so. There is an emergency situation. Please evacuate immediately. Contact us at so and so for any questions. It is important that you must mention your contact details in order somebody wants to contact you back, and then save this file. Once you press save, and then the next button right here will be enabled, and then you can click on next and it will take you to the next screen. So this is how you will type the message. Let's say you want to upload the file, the audio file, as you want the message to be in your voice and in your language. So what you will do is you will first create the WAV file. Now let's see quickly how to create a WAV file. So we'll go to the start menu and type here cmd. This is the command prompt. Click on cmd.exe, and from here you will type sound recorder space / file space and then the file name, like my message.wav. Do not forget to put .wav right there and press enter. Once you press enter, it will open this sound recorder. Click on the start recording and you can record your message. There is a limit to the message recording. The message cannot exceed more than 45 seconds. So you can record up to 45 seconds of your message. Once you click on the stop recording, once you are done, it will ask you to save the message. So you save this message Let's save this message right here in the list. Okay, let's save this message right here. So once you save the message, stop this and minimize this, and then you can choose the file. So let's choose this file what we just created. The file is just now created, mymessage.wav. Open this file, click on open, and then the file, you can see the file name here, and then submit this file. So once you submit the file, it will show you this bar. It is 100% successfully submitted. You can listen to this file if you would like. So click on the listen audio. The file is right here. If you want to listen to it, click on this and you can listen the file. Now let's go back and continue the process. So come back to the audio file tab and click on the audio file once again, the tab. It will take you back to this screen, and then so you know that the file has been successfully uploaded. Click on the voice broadcast tab now. Once you click on the voice broadcast tab, you will see that there is a button which says broadcast. So once we click on broadcast, it will show you an alert, and then it will start broadcasting your calls to all the numbers that you have in the Excel file which you uploaded, and then the message which will be played when the message that you have uploaded. Now, before you do the broadcast, as per the requirement by FTC, which is the Federal Trade Commission, you must comply to all the FTC rules and telesales requirements, TSR rules. You can, if you would like to check, you can go to our terms of service, terms of agreement, or our frequently asked questions, and make sure that you comply with FTC and TSR rules, especially if you are in United States. If you are not in United States, if you are in any other country, make sure that you comply with your government rules, because for example in United States you must have a written permission from your users, from your contacts that you are trying to broadcast, to receive your calls. So make sure that you comply. Now if you comply to all of them, then click on the broadcast. Let's click on the broadcast button. Once you click on the broadcast, it will say once the voice broadcast is scheduled, it cannot be modified or deleted. Do you want to continue? So once you click broadcast, it will start calling all your contacts one by one and will play the recorded message. This ends our demo of voice broadcast using Notify Anywhere. I hope you like the demo. Thank you for watching.